What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here we have today is a 52-inch Hampton Bay Glendale brushed nickel ceiling fan that is in my aunt and uncle's bedroom. Last time I filmed here, you guys saw a 52-inch Westinghouse Swirl Ceiling fan. It was brushed nickel, I believe, that came with this house when my aunt and uncle bought it. But now it's been replaced with this because I don't know what happened. I guess that fan stopped working, motor must have burned, whatever the hell. I don't know what happened. All I know is that that fan no longer functions. The light kit works fine, but the fan did not. So that was tossed away. This was installed, I believe, 6 months ago. That's what my aunt told me. So what we have today are three 8.5, I believe, or 9, I'm not sure, warm white LED bulbs. I don't know why it took me so long to say that, but I said it, so that's all that matters. This is reversible, as you guys can see, but I'm not going to show you the reverse function because I clearly don't want to be here for a long time. I'll just show you the 3 speeds in counterclockwise, or summer mode as some people like to call it. And yeah, these bulbs are not dimmable. I don't know if I told you guys before, but they're not dimmable. And what we have over here is a dimmer. And usually LED bulbs are expensive, but today there was a sale, so I'm going to swap these bulbs out with a Feet Electric 60 watt equivalent 8.5 watt daylight dimmable bulbs. So I should have showed you guys the box, but I don't want to show you at the same time. I'll show you later though. So yeah, that's the dimmer. I'll show you guys the light kit. Look at that. As you guys can see, it flickers because it's not dimmable. I'm probably going to put this somewhere else in the house, maybe the downstairs bathroom. I don't know. I'll figure that out later. But for now, let's take a look at the fan. Here's what I'll do. I'll turn this off. Oh, shoot, I almost fell. Alright, perfect. It was on low speed. And what I meant when I fell, I was on this bed in my aunt and uncle's bedroom where my cousin sleeps. And there's nowhere to put the chair so I can reach the pole chain. So, yeah. I mean, I don't really need a chair, but you guys get the idea. Anyways, enough dilly-dallying. Alright. Take a look at the fan. Last time I saw this fan was in I believe it was my friend's house back in 2013. Came with 3 14-watt EcoSmart bulbs. It's medium base. And the fan wasn't that great. I personally don't like it, but hey, it was 6 years ago. Maybe the fan's a lot better now. So without further ado, let's get on with the video and I'll explain all the other specs later on. I'll switch out the bulbs in front of you guys and yada yada yada. So let's put some low speed action on. Focus the camera. So yeah, this fan is fairly quiet. It doesn't make a lot of noise like it used to. And I know this because it was on high speed before I started this video. Like, when I say before this video, I meant like last night. My aunt and uncle sometimes put the fan on high. And once again, I don't know if I said this. I know I say that a lot, but I actually don't know if I said it. This is an update video about where the Westinghouse Swirl Ceiling fan is. So now you guys know. See, so far it's not making a lot of noise. Decent airflow. Certainly a lot better than the 46-inch, what was it? Hunter Atkinson ceiling fan that's in my bedroom. Alright. Yeah, so I'll just stand back here. And, alright. Let's put medium speed on for you guys. I'll just focus the camera. Medium speed. Starting to get a little bit faster. It's all good now. This is just a very, very, very small notch lower than the high speed on my fan at home in my bedroom. So yeah, doing a lot better than it was before. A little bit of breeze circulating throughout the room. I wouldn't say this is a very good fan, but it's pretty good. It's in its own league in terms of being good. Not great, but it's good. Alright, let's put on high speed. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Lost my balance. If my cousin's bed wasn't in this room, I probably would have been able to access the fan no problem. But I gotta kneel on the bed just to reach it because I don't want to stand and, you know, bang my head on the blades or the light kit or wherever. The fan's starting to wobble. I don't know if you guys can see, but the airflow is really good. It's pretty good. And you can see me moving a little bit on the side of the fan there. And look how the sun's glistening off that pull chain. Let me show you the pull chain. This isn't metallic like the Hunter ones, but it's plastic. It just looks metal. Alright. But yeah, I think it's safe to say that now the Glendale performs better than it used to. And I never liked the Glendale also because of the performance, but mainly because of the appearance. I wasn't a fan of the appearance. But I mean, fan's a fan. And airflow matters. Alright, I'll just pull it up close. You can feel the breeze. Not feel the breeze, but hear the breeze. Alright, I think that should be good. I'll put this back on low speed because that's the ideal speed for my aunt and uncle. They like it that way. Only when it gets hot in here, they put on high speed. Alright, let's turn this off from the wall control. Dimmer's already on high, so as soon as this fan stops spinning, I will install the new bulbs and all that good stuff. Until then, I'll show you guys what I'll be replacing the bulbs with. We got Feet Electric Enhance 60 watt equivalent bulbs. Uses 8.8 watts, not 8.5. I just thought it was 8.5, I don't know why. It's 5000K. Pretty good. I personally like daylight lights and my aunt and uncle like them too. So yeah, I'll show you guys the rest of it. Yeah, I know the bulbs just fell out because I tested these out earlier on a fixture in my bathroom. And yeah, just again, you can pause if you want to see it. Alright. I think that should be good. And one last look at the box. I'll just let them go on the ground because I gotta pick them up anyways. So this is all the lighting facts. The lighting equivalent of the nutritional facts. Or the nutrition facts. Alright, let's take these bulbs out. Alright, let's do this. And I really like these glass covers too. This looks similar to the glass covers I had on the, what was it, the 44-inch Hampton Bay, I believe it was a Clarkston? Yeah, the Clarkston. And then it's medium base. Makes it good because candelabra bulbs are very expensive. I don't know why. It's silly in my opinion, but it's whatever. Alright, and the last bulb on this side. Once again, guys, sorry that this video is so long. I'll try to speed up some parts, but until then, just enjoy, because I'm trying to work as fast as I can. Alright, so let's do a little comparison right here. You got the non-dimmable warm white EcoSmart, what is this? I don't know where it's at. I think it's 9 watt bulb. And then here's the replacement, the Feet Electric 8.8 watt dimmable bulb. Let's focus. The lumens are the same, it's just the... Sorry about that, guys. I don't know why it stopped recording. I guess it's my phone just glitching out. But yeah, just going back. I don't know why it's not focusing. Do a side-by-side comparison. Alright, perfect. Look, so you can even see the difference. This is a little bit bigger than this one. White base of the EcoSmart versus the black base of the Feet Electric. Alright, that's enough. I'll just pick up 3 of these and I'll put them in the fan. Alright, right here. Alright. Just put this one in like so. These are slightly heavier than the old ones, mainly because of the dimmable. I guess there's a little machine, little device in the bulb that enables it. I'm gonna try to finish this as fast as I can because I only have so much battery left on my phone. All right. Okay, last spot. I think it's in. Now it's time for the moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Honestly, these look a lot crisper than the old ones, so that's cool. Here, I'll close up the blinds so you guys can see the bulbs a little bit better. Not just the bulbs, but the light. Looks a little bit different than the old ones. Look at that. A lot better than the old ones. The LEDs turn on like fluorescence, but they turn off like incandescence. Yeah, so this is definitely better than the old one, for sure. Personally, I like it. Hopefully my aunt and uncle like it too, because they're the ones who said that they like daylight, so I decided to get this for them. So yeah, without further ado guys, that'll be it for the video. And as always, please like, comment, subscribe, share the video with everyone you know. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching once again. And as always, take care, have a good day.